On this episode, we have a see-through toolbox. I hammer a plate. Then I open a hatch. Welcome to a welder's journey. Today, we have a really rotted out toolbox. I mean, that thing is really bad. So, let's fix it. First things first, let's give it a good old pressure wash. Remove all that dirt, mud and grime. First thing I wanted to do is to remove it from the truck. That way I can have better access at it and work nicer. But the thing is seized on there. So let's try the forklift. Strap it on. Let's try and pull it out. That ain't budging. Second try. No, we're pulling the whole truck. So that's a no-go. Plan B is not ideal, but hey, we gotta get the job done. So I'm gonna cut the top off from the base plate. Remove all the rotted out panels and replace them with nice fresh metal. See, that bottom piece is just gone. That's Danny, the intern here. He's doing great. Take care, Danny. Okay, we cut it out. Let's put it on the table. The base plate of the toolbox is really bad shape. So we're gonna start by fixing all the cracks, make it strong again, so we have a nice base. The next step, go to the metal shop, start cutting out the replacement pieces. Bend it nice in shape. Do you guys like the slow motion footage? Okay, let's get back to the shop and start welding. Lower side pieces, lower plate, front plate, everything is getting welded on. Next thing to do is get it on the truck. As to nobody's surprise, it fits! Thanks to my supervisor for double checking the gas, see if it's open. Let's weld this guy in! If you guys like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I will appreciate it a lot. And here she is, guys. This time I didn't give it the rattle can job because the truck is heading out to the body shop to get painted. All I did was put on some base primer. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.